Hey guys, I'm really excited to do this really quick short review of this 2021 Kia Forte GT. I love this car a lot, and the main reason why I'm really excited to show you, because I'm way too excited, I just want to go ahead and show you real quick. This is the first vehicle I'm going to feature on this channel, me driving and doing a review that has a manual transmission. 3 pedals on the floor, yes sir. So we'll get to the performance, all that stuff in a second, but I do want to talk about this car. In the back you have dual exhausts. These are real exhausts. It's not the fake one right there. It's actually attached to the rear. Overall styling, that's actually pretty good. It's not too flamboyant. Yeah, the wheels are kind of big, but it does match the car. Got a little red everywhere, you know, just to let you know it's the GT is legit. Also in the back as well. Some nice stitching throughout the vehicle. Into the front, gets to the front in a second. Has a nice normal sunroof, no panoramic roof, which is totally fine. I do love the front of the vehicle. It does remind me of a Kia Stinger just a little bit. Now, Kia did get rid of this logo, I believe back in 2022. So the next year model has a different logo, but to me, it's not that bad. So yes, this is a compact vehicle. You guys know me, I'm 6'9". To get in the vehicle, there's a little button right here. I have the key in my pocket. So I'm gonna go ahead and lock the vehicle right now. Vehicle's locked. Press it again, unlock the drive door. Press it twice, unlocks all the doors. Yes. Now hopping in, again, I'm a tall person, so the shoes have to come off. It's a nice summertime. The layout of this vehicle is very, very simple. Absolutely simple. We'll get close the door. It's actually pretty quiet in here as well. Flat bottom steering. Again, with the red stitching, red everywhere throughout the seats. Got GT on the seats. Nice little sunroof. But nevertheless, let me go ahead and get it started real quick. This is one of the most simple layouts you can get. Radios at the top, upper your vision right here. You can get navigation in the Kia Forte, just now on this trim level right now. So the view will be at your top right here. All the buttons you need, you're going to Sirius XM, Bluetooth, whatever, it's all right here. Change your setup. It's an actual physical button, which I like. Down over here, it's a climate control. It's actual physical buttons. If you forget to turn out the climate control after you turn off the vehicle, it's fine. You can just turn off right here. It's just that simple. The way it needs to be. You got wire chargers down at the bottom. Outlets to charge up your phone over here, and right here you have your 6-speed manual gearbox, which I really do like. And to put it in reverse, you push this up all the way back. Now you reverse. So while the cabin is cooling down, I'm gonna go ahead and talk about the engine real quick. Let's go ahead and pop that up. What do we have here is a 2-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder. Made it to the 6-speed manual. You can also get this vehicle in a dual clutch gearbox. This vehicle has 201 brake horsepower and 195 foot-pounds of torque. Very torquey motor. When I'm driving on the highway, I can leave it in 6, driving around 70, cruising up to 75, a little bit of 80, and that's pretty well. I don't need to drop it to 4th or 5th gear. So you do have a little sport mode down here, which I will press. So just rev it up just a little bit. You do hit a little burble on the exhaust. Now, time to put in the sport. There we go. You ain't that much of a difference if you rev it up just like I did, but driving around, it does make a slight difference. First gear, second, third, 4th, 5th, 6th. There we go. I'll put in first. Now, yes, I am tall, so this is how I have to drive. Getting the bite point of the clutch in this GT is pretty much at the top, I would say, but it's very easy to get. Gotta rev up just a little bit. There we go. Yeah, it's gonna be hard for me to do a review on this thing and change your gears at the same time. This is why everyone should be driving a manual car, seriously. When you are driving, it does give you a little indication when you should shift gears. So right now, just cruise around in third, tell me I should upshift, but it'll be okay. Oh boy, yeah, this ain't a really good idea. There we go. Yeah, the vehicle's not extremely loud when you're driving it. Yeah, it's a typical 2-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder. It is pretty torquey. I'm driving 50 miles an hour. I'm in 6th gear, I just floored it. Foot to the floor. It picks up. It picks up really well in 6th gear. Turn radius is good as well. I'll start off in a second because it's kind of hard for me to drive doing all this stuff at the same time. But practice makes perfect. So again, I can't really document how I feel about the manual transmission. I will say this. I had practice in the manual transmission in a Nissan Versa, the current generation Nissan Versa. I've had practice in a 2019 Jeep Compass and also a Mitsubishi Outlander Sport. And I must say, my favorite has been actually the Mitsubishi Outlander Sport. This is a very easy vehicle to learn how to drive stick in. Trust me. This thing just has plenty of just get up in 6th gear. I'm just really impressed by this thing. Just doing 70, give it some throttle, already up to 84, 85. That's pretty good. It's not bad. Very easy vehicle to learn how to drive stick in. I'm 6'9". Let it be a nice warm day. Take off your shoes. You can just drive around this thing, no problem. It's actually pretty fun. It really inspired me to actually buy a manual transmission. I wish I could get my G8, the V6 at least, in the manual transmission. Even the V8s, the 6-liter. You get a 6.2, but hey, it is what it is. No, it is not a hot rod. It sounds good. 1.6-liter displacement is plenty enough. Someone who's like me, 6'9", I had plenty of leg room in here. It's actually pretty comfortable as well. It does have sports seats. Great transmission. Great engine. I do like the powertrain. The infotainment, all this stuff right here, easy to use. I really do like this car a lot. The next 2 years, I can already envision some car enthusiasts just searching for this thing, the same way people looking for older Civics and etc. So this is a very nice car. It doesn't have the pedigree of a Civic, I would say, nor a Corolla, but you do have to start somewhere, and Kia did. So I really do appreciate this car a lot. You guys let me know what you think of the 2021 Kia Forte GT with the 6-speed manual. Sorry I had such a very short time with this GT, but hopefully in the future I have more time with it or a car similar of this character. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. See you guys next time.